Part 46. This is redundant. RSI, Relative Strength Index, Commodity Channel Index, both set to default. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. If it's under the halfway point, we sell. If it's over the halfway point, we buy. Right? Our candle time is set to 5 seconds. And we trade like this. So if 2 loses, we do 4. If 4 loses, we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19. If 19 loses, we do 41. If 41 loses, we do 89. 89, 191, 410, so on and so forth. Screenshot that or write it down, whatever. Pause the video and do that. What was on screen just now? Yes. Pause the video, write it down. Simply put. Anyways, so this is part 46. So you saw we sell at the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and we sold. Right. We just wait until it finishes. It's a patience game. And that's done right there. We lost. That's a good thing because life is set up in a way. Wait, when did I sell this Apple stock? I don't remember selling that Apple stock. That's weird. Anyways, we'll check our Apple stock. 15, 14, 13, 12. We can buy or sell at the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. So we buy here for 4. We up to 9 and we wait. Positions. My Apple stock is sold. Oh my god. Let's add some stocks. This is time. I just buy as much stocks as you can. So we have Apple. And buy this joint. And it's to trust businesses. Trust that there's enough businesses here that's profitable. So like Coca-Cola. So 4 loss, right? So ultimately, we come back here, we bring this down, we do 9. So 4 and 2 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do 19 because we did 2 when we were supposed to do 4. When did this lose? I don't remember that losing, but pop off. Ew. That lost in the other session because the other session the Wi-Fi cut off. Interesting. I guess we're doing 19 then. We skipped. We skipped. What do you want? By just watching the time, you can tell that it's not 2 different sessions. It's like very there for you to pay attention to. Like right there, but I guess not. Anyways, 19 would lose. 19 and 4 is 23, and 4 is 27, and 2 is 31, and 2 is 33. This gives you $40. Ahaha. We buy here for 41. We do 89. And we chill. It's okay for that to lose. We just do 89. Just continue. That's why you should have a bit of money to trade, because if you don't, then you get me. $89 and 191. 191. I like the way that clicks though. I mean, y'all might not be able to hear it, but it clicks very cleanly, very crisp. Clicks nice. Click, click, click. So yeah, 87, 41, and 9, that's 50, 64, 5, 6. Yeah, I lost 2. 191 would give you more than enough profits. I'll show you. What I'm referring to. So, last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. And then we trade. We buy here for 191. We move up to, if 191 loses, then we do 410. 89 and 1, that's 90. 90 and 4, that's 130. 130 and 10, that's 140. 150. 154. 55, 56, 57, 157, and 187. So 50, 60, 70, 80, $30.07. So $37.61. Sorry, dyslexic. I'm not dyslexic. Or whatever the number one is. Digital lexic. No way. There's no way. So yeah, last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, and then we trade. Same thing goes. We go back down to 2 initially. And this could have stopped at 89 actually, because remember we skipped the 9, so there should have been one in between. But you'll see that one in between. So it's 249.19. I just did 19 because I thought it was supposed to be 249.19. Right? So I thought we made a mistake, but I continued with the sequence anyways. And we still won. That should tell you a lot. That should tell you a real lot, bro. It should. Let's go. Let's go. Purchase deadline. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Purchase deadline. Let's go. 8765. We buy here for 4. But I just realized I ain't had no music playing, bro. Oh my god. Hopefully, we won't have to chill today, you know. Tripping with the copyright, so. Reduce you. So we go back to this. So 4 is about to win. So you're waiting for 2. 2's about to lose. That's absolutely fine. Alright, and it's after 2, it's 251. You could trade this time, but so yeah, you would win. As 4. 9 is next. 5 2 and 272. Would it go down, do you think? The marketing is slick so much, yeah? Like, this trading method is just so simple, so easy. Conquer. Oh, I wouldn't call this a hack. This is just trading. Just trading on steroids, bro. This is not a bypass. It's supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be difficult. No, that's not how life works, bro. There's things that are hard to some people and difficult to some. And if somebody's professional enough, they could literally teach you how to make it and do it faster. So what happened with running? Over time, people started doing it faster and faster and faster and better, and they got better and they got better. You think this is all I'm doing, bro? I'm thinking what they did and made it better. Yeah, I'm using indicators, bro. I'm using leverage, fam. Every business has leverage. You have to be able to make at least a few mistakes. Feel what I'm saying? If you cannot make a few mistakes, then you can never grow. One mistake and then your business is just back down to scratch. That sucks. You see what it does? This thing playing with me. Let's go. We're going back out. It kind of consolidated here. Oh, we still trade. It's doing something. It's actually moving down. So 4 and after 4 we do 9. And both indicators are under the halfway point, so we sold. This is what this would look like on 1 minute. Let me show you. See? So kinda it dipped here and now it's going back up. It would dip again, wouldn't it? Hopefully it does. Even if it doesn't, that's fine. It's fine, we have something in store for that. So all movement is movement, you feel me? So yeah, now it's up. Now it just broke that top. We know that that's just rejected. I don't think so. I think it's going up. Or maybe it couldn't break free. I don't know. We'll see what the indicators say at the last 5 seconds. Can break free, can break out. So we buy here for 9. By break free, I mean, so because it's swing like this is like it would swing like this, dip and then up. Yeah. dip and then go back up. It should be able to cross that. This isn't enough to hold it back. This, yeah. And that's, it's crazy. I just predicted this in real time. This is how easy technical analysis is for me, bro. Tend to underestimate me. Oh my god. That clip that shit, bro. Clip that. You have to clip that. You have to clip that. You really do underestimate yourself. I do underestimate myself. Look at how easily I just read the markets. It's kind of obvious when it does things like that. Might come back down to retest, but it's up, so we're going up by for 2. So 4 and 2 is 6, 6 and 2 is 8, so 284. $2.84 profit of that trade. And yeah, sometimes you can't predict the markets. Yeah. You'll be tapped in your solitude. Yeah, so infinite trading method, part 36, we just recorded 40 to 54, 14 minutes of content. That's good. GG, man. I'm not cutting this though. You watching all this, bro. Infinite trading method. Alright. And it's 2:54 p.m. EUR/USD pair. Oh shit, we can't stop on our loss. Buy here because it would have gone up anyways. 393. You're tapped in, you're divine as hell, bro. Get. Am I the greatest trader on the planet or what? Or what? There is pattern in the chaos. And I've done this so much that I see the pattern in the chaos. Nobody but me, I see it, bro. I'm the one who sees that shit. Bro, I'm talking about. Bro, I have really gotten good at trading. Like, I'm very good at this shit now. Jesus Christ, man. I like playing games. This is ranked. Oh, I also cannot lose 1v1 on Domino. Like, first to 100, you just cannot beat me. I will destroy you every time. Okay, this wins for a fact. So yeah, try me 1v1 Domino, bro. 1v1 me, bro. Wait, what? I could 1v1 for money? Ah. Oh my god. So it would win. It would win. I already have confidence that this one won. Yeah? So dub right there. So infinite trading method, part 46. GG. This would win. Look at where it stopped. Look at where it is. It won. Right? 393. Bye.